Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, obviously I am looking very tropical, and that is because I'm gonna be going on vacation. I'm going to the Dominican Republic for my sister's wedding. I'm so excited. So I thought it would be fun to talk about just makeup that I'm bringing on vacation. So that's what today's gonna be. I love talking about makeup products, my favorite ones, and I just love vacation makeup. I love like effortless, like minimalistic, just very glowy kind of makeup looks. So that is what this is gonna be all about. So stay tuned for that. But before we do start getting into this, make sure to give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Please, means the world. Thank you so much. But if you wanna see what I am packing for vacation makeup, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so we have quite a few products in here, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna get into like exactly what makeup brushes I'm bringing with me because I'm probably just gonna bring like, I don't know, a highlighter brush, a bronzer brush, a blush brush, something for my eyebrows, and that's really it. Like I'm gonna go, well, I'm actually probably gonna bring eyeshadow brushes too because I'm gonna be doing my sister's and my mom's and my mother-in-law's and my aunt's makeup for the wedding. So I am gonna be bringing like more makeup than this, but this is solely like the makeup that I'm bringing for like my day-to-day vacation kind of looks. Like this is not wedding stuff. So that's gonna be like a whole separate thing. I feel like a separate video that I'm gonna do is like doing my sister's wedding makeup. I feel like it'll be fun to bring you guys on that little event with me. I think that would be really cool. So that's gonna be a whole different thing. This is my makeup that I'm gonna be wearing like day to day because we're gonna be there for quite some time. Obviously we're making a vacation out of it, so this is like my day-to-day makeup. So first things first, most important thing of all is SPF. This is a little travel size because I like to bring travel sizes of things on vacation. The rest of these are not travel size, but this is. It's just the Dermalogica Invisible Physical Defense. It's SPF 30. I also want to get the, what was it? The Glow Recipe. I know they came out with an SPF, so I really, really want to go get that one before we go because it looks beautiful and I love anything Glow Recipe. So I think I am going to get that before I leave, but this I'm definitely bringing. I love it. And then this is in no particular order, so I'm not going like foundation, concealer, blah, 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 blah. I'm just picking up whatever I see first. This is just what I picture myself using most when I'm over there, basically. This is a must-have. It's my Charlotte Tilbury Nudegasm face palette. Gotta have it. It literally has everything I need in a powder, contour, bronzer, blush, highlighter, and I can use these as eyeshadow too. So what more can I ask for? This is like everything to me. And then I have the Chanel cream bronzer. I will not leave my house without this. I love it so much. And this is just perfect for vacation when I don't want to wear powder products. I'm gonna be living in this. And then next up, of course, I'm bringing both of these because I have just gotten to love both so much. I'm also gonna be living in these. They're the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light ones. This one is in Peachgasm and this one is Pillow Talk. I just love how glowy these are, and I literally wanna be shining like a disco ball when I'm over there, but in the best way. Obviously a beauty blender because I'm literally gonna be using this probably for everything. I don't picture myself using too many powder products while I'm there. Like I wanna be very just like beachy and glowy. So I love cream products for that, but I am bringing powder products just in case I decide, you know what, I feel like going all out today. So that is why I'm bringing this, of course. It is the new Charlotte Tilbury Multi-Glow Beautifying All Over Glow Highlighter. I freaking love this stuff, and the glow that this gives you on your face is unlike anything I've ever seen. It's stunning. So I'm definitely bringing this. Even if I don't wear any other powder product, I feel like I might just hit my cheeks with this a little bit because it just looks so stunning. And then I have to bring this. I feel like I've brought this on every vacation that I've been on for a few years now. It's the Soleil Tan de Chanel Sheer Illuminating Fluid. This looks amazing under foundation or even on its own. If you want to put it on your cheeks, it just gives you like the most beautiful tan glow, especially like once you've been out in the sun, you've got some color on your face going. It looks amazing. So I'm definitely bringing this. I'm of course bringing a pore filling primer just in case I need to fill my pores for the nighttime. I've got this, I'm definitely bringing. This is gonna be like my nighttime foundation. It's the No. 1 de Chanel foundation. I feel like I may need to bring one more though, because this might be too light for me when I get a tan, or I'll just get this in a darker shade too. We'll see, but this is definitely gonna be my nighttime foundation. My daytime foundation, if I do wear anything during the day, is going to be the Psy Slip Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 35. This is more like a tinted moisturizer. It feels super, super good on the skin and it looks amazing every time I wear it. So if I do wear something during the day, this will be what it is. Of course, I'm bringing a setting spray because it's gonna be hot over there and I don't want things to move at night especially, so I need that in my life. And then I've got a concealer. I'll be bringing this. It's the L'Oreal True Match. I've been living in this. I wear this every freaking day. And then I ran out, but I'm also gonna bring my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I just ran out, so I need to go get more, but that is like my all-time favorite, you guys know, and it's perfect for vacation because it's so light and airy and it doesn't feel like you're wearing makeup when you have that concealer on, but it looks amazing. So I'm gonna go get that one. But then I'm also bringing my AIRBRUSH Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury in case I need to powder things up a little bit, because like I said, it's gonna be hot and sweaty over there. So this is going to be a must-have. And then for a primer, I guess, I'm bringing my NARS Radiance Primer. I also think I need to go get more of this because it is like hanging on by a thread here. But this is SPF 35. So a lot of the products that I'm bringing have SPF in them because I'm gonna do my best to not like burn my skin really bad. Like I really, really want to be conscious and protect my skin when I'm over there. So as many things as I could bring with SPF, I will. And then of course I'm bringing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. This is in dark brown. I've also been living in this. This is gonna be for nighttime when I want to just color in my eyebrows a little bit. Like you guys know, I got my eyebrows powder browed, so they're already pretty dark. So I don't really need to do anything to them during the day. It's just like when I have more makeup on at night, that's probably when I'll use it. The next product is from Charlotte Tilbury. Literally, I feel like 75% of the products I'm bringing are Charlotte Tilbury. Can you tell I'm obsessed? This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is like the mini size. What shade is this? 5.5. No, it's not. It's 4.5 medium. I also love this. This is kind of similar to the Charlotte Tilbury, the liquid highlighter, but I love both so much, so I'm bringing both so I can have choices, because why not? And then for eyeshadow, in case I want to like spice things up a little bit, I'm gonna go very minimal with the eyeshadow when I'm there because I just love like a nice like champagne-y glowy eye look on vacation. So I'm bringing my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder. This is in 13. It's like a beautiful champagne-y shade. I remember last time I went to Mexico, this was all I wore and I was like obsessed with my makeup every night that I was there. So I'm bringing this, and then I'll just use that Nudegasm palette if I want to like bronze up the crease a little bit. And then I have the Charlotte Tilbury Loose Setting Powder, the AIRBRUSH or the Magic Powder, in case I want to bake my face, if I want to be a little bit more extra. And then for the eyes, for mascara and for eyeliner, I'm just bringing my Benefit Roller Lash and Roller Liner because I really, really like these two. Obviously, you guys know my obsession for this already, but I really love this one too. Probably don't see myself wearing too much eyeliner, but just in case I need it. And then of course I need a mascara in my life. So I am probably not gonna bring lashes on this trip. I contemplated it. Actually, I take that back. I'll probably bring one pair of lashes, but just to wear to my sister's actual wedding, but on the day-to-day, I really don't want to have to worry about doing lashes and like having just like the extra stuff on my face. Like I really just want to be like careless when I'm there. Like I just need to relax. So I'm probably not going to do lashes for most of the time that I'm there. And then for lips, I always, when I go on vacation, I bring 3 lip colors. So I need a red, a pink, and a nude. Just in case I want to spice things up, I have a red and a pink. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna wear a nude. But I have my, what is this? NARS Dragon Girl. It's the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So this is the red. I'm obsessed with the color red that this gives me. And then I have the YSL Tatouage Couture Velvet Cream Lipstick in 205. Stunning. So creamy, so pretty, it just looks amazing. So definitely bringing that. For the pink, I love hot pink lipsticks, lip liners, lip glosses, everything in the summer. It's just an obsession. So I am bringing the Let's Go Crazy Velvet Matte Lip Pencil from NARS, the perfect hot pink. And then I'm bringing the Maybelline, what is this? Superstay Matte Ink in Romantic. Thank me later. Perfect, perfect combo. And then lastly, of course, I'm bringing my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, which I obviously need a refill on, and the Pillow Talk lipstick. And then I'll probably throw in a little lip gloss too. Let's just throw in my Lancome Juicy Tubes because I've been obsessed with this, and my NARS Orgasm Lip Oil. And then I'm gonna have like the Dior chapsticks, like the balms for just like every day using as like a chapstick. But that's it. The case that I'm bringing, I talked about in another video. It's from Song Mics. I got this on Amazon. This case has been a lifesaver for me. I've been bringing this on like every trip that I've gone on for a while now, and it fits everything I need in it. It has little dividers. Sorry, that one's dirty, but it has dividers so you could like separate and organize your makeup into little compartments, and it's just really durable and really handy. You can clean it, so like obviously it gets dirty because you're putting makeup in it, but it's not hard to clean. So definitely bringing this so I can put all my makeup in it. And yeah, that is it. I think maybe I'll like take a couple things out, add a couple things in. I'm gonna like probably go through my makeup drawers a million more times before we go, just to make sure I have everything I need. But that is it for the most part. Like these are things that I absolutely love and I definitely see myself wearing and bringing on vacation. And they're just perfect for that kind of thing. So those were my choices for vacation makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there was anything else that you would recommend that I bring or anything that you think I don't need. Just let me know what you guys think. Give me your thoughts. Let me know if you guys are going anywhere too. Just keep me updated on your lives. Please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.